AI agents are now live on XCN. Who's ready to deploy tokens using the official Onyx AI with XCN? Get started below. And then if you take a look, man, this team this team is so on point with what they're doing. You just have to get started with your web wallet. If you have MetaMask or Phantom, etc., you could literally build with Onyx AI agent and start launching on Onyx, guys. Start creating your own AI agents on Onyx, on XCN. This is such a bullish update. This is a massive update for someone like me, for example, because I've been leveraging, content creation, AI video generators on my Twitter, on my YouTube, on my social media platforms that I use, X, YouTube, for example, and I've been making, AI generated videos. I even recently had, a bit of success on my X account and my YouTube channel, leveraging the use of AI video generators, or just the use of AI in general to help with my content creation. I used Cdance 2.0 and generated some AI videos. One of the videos got 765 views. One of them recently, 3 days ago, got 22,000 views. That's fantastic, right? With the power of AI, just some prompts, some creativity, and then all of a sudden, boom, you're leveraging your success with the use of AI. I think crypto and AI are the future. And if you look outside of the Web3 space into the Web2 space, the regular people out there that aren't really into things like that, they hate, in my opinion, they hate crypto and AI. Those are the two things they hate the most, crypto and AI. But I see it as the future, and I'm using crypto and AI as a way for me to be more successful, to leverage, my content creation, my success, my financial stability, my wealth, financial freedom, etc., right? Because these are the tools that are being presented to us. I think you'd be a fool not to take advantage of them, in my opinion. So XCN noticing this and seeing the future of AI, they have rolled out an AI agent platform with Phantom. Real quickly, bear with me, guys. I just want to sign in and see, right? Let's take a look, okay? This is just a dummy wallet that I have anyway. So, okay, so I'm Onyx AI agent. How can I assist with your goals? Chat history, AI, all chats you've created. Interesting. Check my balance. Deploy a smart contract. That's interesting. Look at this. Wow. So now we have the AI tool to show us how to, if we want to deploy a smart contract on XCN. To deploy a smart contract, I'll need a few details from you. Contact source code. Please provide the source code of the smart contract you wish to deploy. If you have any specific functionality in mind, let me know. Constructor arguments. If the contract requires any constructor arguments, please listen. And then we have, all the chain information like the chain ID, etc. Ethereum based BNB as well. Once I have this information prepared, I can prepare a deployment transaction for you. How about creating a project that uses AI to trade crypto? I know that's been done a ton of times before, but might as well see what we got, right? Creating a project that uses AI to trade crypto is an exciting and complex endeavor. Here's a general roadmap to guide you through the process. Define the objective scope. Decide whether the AI will trade specific coins on variety assets. Goals. Set clear objectives such as maximizing return, minimizing risk, capitalizing specific market conditions. Gather data. Market data analysis. Machine learning as well. Consider models like regression analysis. Test the AI models historical data to evaluate performance. Implement strategies to control exposure and manage risks. Develop an application with integration to trade in the platform. Test and deploy, build the platform. Develop the algorithm, choose your AI models. Start with simulated trading, refine strategies, paper trading. Monitor and optimize, continuously monitoring performance against predefined KPLs. So there you go, guys. That's just like a little example there of what Onyx AI agent could do. So now we could go to swap 1 ETH for USDC. You could swap in the AI agent as well. You could launch an ERC20 token. Let's see what we got here. To launch an ERC20 token, token name, the full name of your token, token symbol, decimals, total supply, and the chain. The blockchain you want to deploy, Ethereum, Onyx, BNB chain base. Once I have this information, I can prepare the contract for you. Let me know if you have any questions. Let's see. Let's go with token name. Token name. I'm not very I'm not very good with thinking on the spot, guys. Give me a sec. AI lever. How about that? Right, token name AI lever. Okay, token symbol ticker AIL. Okay, how about that? Decimals usually 18. I don't know, man. Do I just put in numbers here? Let's see. No, that's not what I that's not what I was looking for. Hold on, decimals. Let's see. Put in decimals. I don't know. It's gonna be on Ethan base. I don't know. I'm just trying to see what see if there might be a misunderstanding. The decimals typically represent the number of tokens. Play decimals to the token after set. Would you like to set it to 18 or another value? Okay. So if I put decimals 18, let's see. Okay, cool. Total supply. You know, every coin has, all the meme coins have 1 billion tokens. 1 billion tokens for the total supply. Chain. Can I put in XCN or do I put Ethereum base? Okay, let's try Onyx. Let's see. Would you like to proceed with deploying this token on Onyx chain? I probably don't have enough credits. Deploying will cost 100 credits. Let me know if you'd like to proceed. So if I say proceed, it'll say it'll fail, right? It probably fail. No credits remaining. So you have to add the credits here and you use XCN. Oh, there you go. So that's the use. There you go. There's another use case of XCN, right? So 1 XCN is 10 credits, and you know how cheap XCN is right now. So if you have like 100 XCN, you could get so much credits, right? Because 10 XCN is gonna be 100 credits, which is what you need to deploy. So 100 XCN is gonna be 1,000 credits. Is my math right? Let me see. Just add a 0, right? 100 times 10 is 1,000 credits. Yep, correct. So that's actually super cool, man. That is really bullish stuff. And I just went through that with you guys. I didn't plan this, right? I really didn't plan this. So if you got some XCN in your wallet and you want to start deploying on XCN, you could use XCN's AI agent to start deploying, which is very bullish. Very bullish stuff, guys. That's awesome. You could go check your balance as well. Oh, you have to but you do have to keep adding those credits. But the credits are very cheap, right? Because XCN is very cheap, right? So like, you know, 20 bucks on XCN's AI agent could get you very far. That is awesome. Oh, that is actually super bullish, man. Wow. That is actually, guys, that is actually super bullish. So the XCN AI agent is live. I just went through like a quick test run. Didn't plan it, but there you go. And right now, XCN is sitting at 0. Man, the team is building here. And just like I said, I leveraged, you know, AI for my content creation with Cdance 2.0. Now you can literally leverage, you know, you could leverage the space with the XCN AI agent and help you with your trading, deploying, you know, taking a look at analysis of different tokens in the space in general. Launch your own tokens through XCN and, you know, build something. You could be a DApp developer, or you could just, you know, be the guy that launches XCN meme coins, right? I'm telling you, that'd be awesome to see. So there you go, guys. And again, because it's a layer 3 protocol, every transaction is going to be very fast, very cheap, very decentralized as well. XCN sitting at 205 right now, just under 189 million market cap. Let me know if you guys enjoyed this video. Like I said, I did not plan this. This should be a viral video in the XCN community. At least I think so. Thank y'all so much for tuning in. XCN is in a great spot right now. Again, like I said, 100,000 XCN tokens is a good bet to make, which is $510 right now. And I think this project is going to be very successful in the future, as long as the team continues to build stuff like this that even myself could mess around with and be extremely bullish on. I'm extremely bullish on AI and the use of AI and the combination of crypto and AI, and XCN rolling out the Onyx AI, XCN AI is so bullish to see. That is really bullish, guys. So let's just take a look at what Cryptology has to say. I think the video is over, getting to the 10-minute mark. I don't want to stretch it out too long. So this from Cryptology: breaking XCN ecosystem is heating up behind the scenes. Governance upgrades live. Ambassador expansion incoming. Goliath rollout chatter increasing while the timelines chase noise. Infrastructure is stacking. Quiet phases build loud moves. 100,000% Cryptology. Thanks to recent price dips, I've managed to add some XCN to my bag. Of course, I am staking it on the Onyx wallet, gas free. I've been part of this great project for the last 3 years. I've seen some great and some tough times, but I'm in for the long term. Look at that. So he just purchased and staked just around 10,000 XCN recently, guys. And that's what you got to do, man. If you're bullish on the project, you stack, you stake and bake, you be patient. You try your best to use the utility of the project like I just did in the video. And then you just, keep building, keep doing your best, right? And keep applying these strategies, and eventually you'll be successful in the space. As always, none of this is financial advice. Thank y'all so much for tuning in. Like, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell. Join my Discord. It's free. It's down in the description. And also support my Clips channel, where I post YouTube shorts of all my videos. Subscribing to that channel really helps my overall brand out. So guys, please subscribe and watch those videos there as well. Thank you so much. I'll catch you in the next one.